Mihango eno ehorirwo Shafi thinacara cia rucini riria container 474 cikuhinguragwo thiini wa sub-county 338 na thutha ucio kigeranio giki kumagario nginyagia mathukuru-ini rungu rwa urangiri munene. Mathukuru-ini maingi arutwo megukinyite o tene, aingi makionania ucamba ona mbere ya guikarira kigeranio giki. Matongoretio ni minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i, maafitha ngurani thirikari-ini ari hamwe na minista wa githomo George Magoha ni marugamirire kuhingurwo gwa container cia igeranio na thutha ucio gucera mathukuru-ini ngurani.
There are some bags there and so on. They clean up, open the window, the place.
Icera ria hinahi ria Matiang'i thukuru-ini uyu wa muthingi wa Gilgil rirehire wari mwari arugamiriri magikora haceke na kurio mataririe uria arutwo mangekeire kigeranio kirathi-ini giki kiria kiri na mahoro mangiingiria mbura.
What rehearsal were you doing? Mulikuja hapa mkaona ile vile iko? Mukakubali tukae namna hiyo.
Kwa ihinda mihango eno yambire kurugama nginyagia riria arutwo aya mathameirio kirathi-ini kingi.
Remove that desk and give it to that guy because that's a very bad one.
Nake minista wa githomo George Magoha ekunyabaraga mihango eno mwena wa Mombasa, riri nake minista wa ICT Joe Mucheru auma mwena wa Nyeri, nake murunawe wa ukui James Macharia agitinda mwena wa Murang'a.
They have absolutely nothing to worry about. Every child is born with a special tact in his brain. And since we are going to have 100% transition, there should actually be really no pressure.
Igeranio ici kwambagiriria thaa 2:30 rucini na ona gutwika icigo-ini nyingi maundu meguthiaga na mbere o wega. Kaunti-ini ya Baringo igeranio ni icereirwo kurumirira mbura nene iria raire kiura na guthararia ukui barabara-ini nyingi. Maundu notagwo kaunti-ini ya West Pokot, Turkana na Wajir kuria igeranio ciumagaririo na ndege. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.